Nababakabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa one of the 3 branches ng Coffee Bay in the entire Philippines.
And this is the first sa Luzon.
So yun guys, we're gonna tour you of the place. Papakita po namin kung ano yung mga pagkain na sinerve nila dito. And if you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Hello! This is the place. Ayan. Nga pala, so meron tayo ditong raffle box. Every month, they are giving away a raffle something, no? So for this month, parang iPhone pinamimigay nila. So minimum 500 pesos, guys. You drop your receipt here. Malay nyo, iPhone. You're gonna win iPhone. I don't know. So let's talk about some amenities dito sa Coffee Bay. Actually, they have 3 VIP rooms. So actually, we stayed here dito sa VIP 3.
So, next thing to do natin, pasokan na natin mga food. Alright, so before natin titikman, kasama natin si Ma'am Kat ng Coffee Bay. So, papakilala natin kung ano yung mga nasa table natin and ano yung sinaserve dito. So, on our table, Ma'am Kat, ano po ba yung mga category natin na or sinaserve dito sa Coffee Bay?
For desserts po, meron po tayong variation ng Bingsu. Then we have pastries and cakes on the side. Tapos, meron din tayong different coffee drinks, espresso base or non-coffee base. Then we also have the all-day brunch. So ito sir ang Bacon Benedict waffle. Isa siya sa mga waffle series natin.
At the same time, meron po tayo dito parang mga
Ano siya sir? Taco. Meron tayong 3 VIP rooms sir. So meron tayong VIP 1 which is the cinema room. So it is a capacity of 16 persons, good for presentations, meetings, parang ganun siya. Then we have 2 VIP rooms, VIP 2 and VIP 3. VIP 2 is maximum of 12 to 15 packs, while VIP 3 is meron tayong 6 to 8 packs. All of the VIP rooms po is consumable naman sila.
So how much po yung consumable natin?
So for VIP 1, we do 5,000 consumable for 2 hours. Then VIP 2 is 3,000 consumable and VIP 3 is 2,000 consumable po sila for 2 hours. To all the KDrama fanatics, come and visit Coffeebay-Angeles, currently located in Friendship Highway, so beside Running Man Fitness Center. For our store operating hours, it starts 8 a.m. and ends until 12 midnight. Daily po yan.
Daily. So talagang mahaba po yung time natin.
Yes.
Ano?
Again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much Coffee Bay,
Yes.
Angeles City for inviting us. Grabe, I mean, the table, look at this, very generous. Just a trivia, kaya po naging siyang sikat na sikat sa Korea and na-feature actually sila, di ba?
Isa sa mga Korean drama, which is yung Penthouse, nasama sila doon.
Anyway, so again, let's taste the food. Okay, so this one, let's taste it.
Ako talagang ever since, nagiging interested ako sa mga
Bingsu,
nila.
actually.
Yes.
Look at that, this one's really appetizing, brother.
Ito yung kanilang toffee nut with dalgona, which is isa rin sa mga nauso. So ito yung kanilang nut is sweet.
Can't stop, this one's really good. Una kong titikman is yung kanilang taco, yan. Good for sharing, it's already good for 2.
Actually, napapasarap yung kain ko dito sa Bingsu eh. Kahit malamig yung panahon, ito pa rin yung mga hahanap-hanapin mo. So sa mga Bingsu nila, as low as 260 pesos sa mga ganito kalaki. At the same time, kung ikaw naman yung medyo naghahanap lang ng mga maliliit, available din sila sa mga small cups. Yeah.
Sa mga all-day breakfast natin, this is
Bacon.
This is the Bacon Benedict. And then let me get this one, yung may bacon, guys. There we go.
Ako naman yung kanilang pizza. So, ang mga style nila dito, yung mga pizza nila, waffle.
Waffle, yeah, pizza waffle.
Let's taste it.
Yum, 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 yum. So sa mga naghahanap po ng location, actually, located ito sa may Friendship Highway. And then pinaka-landmark natin is yung Running Man.
So next thing ko naman, so ang difference lang naman dito, meron tayo dito yung double butter, meron tayo ditong triple cheese, and yung kanilang pandesal. Poof. So ako titikman ko yung kanilang triple cheese.
So another part ng kanilang mga all-day breakfast, yung mga sausages, bro.
Actually, sa mga all-day breakfast nila, pwede kang magpumili kung sausages, scrambled egg, or bacon.
So, ayan. Cheers, bro. Cheers. Yaman, ha? So, very,
Ito
bait
naman,
ng kape. Gusto ko siya.
ito naman napaka-fruity niya.
Alright, so, ayun guys. Samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna include the rest of the team ng We're in Pampanga. And kakain pa tayo. First time ba dito? Hindi naman.
Ako actually, every time nag-work, ganun.
Every time you work. So you work here?
Hindi dito sa... Hindi,
Yes.
parang kapag gusto ka ng alternative place to work. Ganun.
Amazing.
Kasi work off-site naman kami. So,
How about you guys? First time? First time?
First time.
third time.
Third time? Alright, enjoy. Alright, so ayun guys. Again, another new place, no? Another bucket list niyo po dito sa Pampanga. This is Coffee Bay. Grabe, sobrang nabusog ako, bro.
Actually, ang dami nilang sinerve, talagang mapapa-Korean vibes kayo dito.
Yun, so if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Ako na.
Oh, ikaw na.
Peace out.